US rapper Safari is currently on the island working with upcoming dancehall artist Navision on the visuals for their collab stories. On Friday, both artists were at the luxurious G-Jam Hotel in Portland for the video shoot, where E-Prime spoke to Safari about the collaboration.
As far as Invasion, I was listening to his song Wicked, but I didn't know who sung it. So when I went on YouTube and looked it up and I saw him, I'm like, oh, okay, that's him, boom. I looked him up on Instagram, I DM'd him, I'm like, yo, it's true and bad, I think we should work. And he was like, yeah, cool, let's say a word. And then we just started talking. We was talking for like a month, 2 months before we finally got in the studio. Came out here, we was in Big Yard. And then, we did the song there on the spot. So it actually wasn't one of those things where somebody did the song and sent it and said, yo, send me back your verse. We was in the studio together and we vibed it.
Safari recently released his latest EP, which boasts 11 tracks and features love and hip-hop star Scrappy. The rapper plans to return to Jamaica soon to work with other new dancehall acts. Navision gained traction last year after this performance video of him went viral as he delivered his track, Dem Gyal Ya Wicked.
Dem gyal ya wicked, them wicked, them wicked. Dem gyal ya wicked, them wicked, them wicked. I don't know how them so wicked, why them so wicked, but I know so them gyal ya wicked.
The anticipated collab stories is set to be released soon. The second season of Harris's production, Thicker Than Water, made its grand return to television last Saturday. Producer and director of the TV drama Delia Harris shared with E-Prime details on the return of the series.
Season 2 of Thicker Than Water sees an expansion on Season 1. We have now twice the number of episodes, 12, twice the number of characters. And what we've done is we've moved it to the corporate office, made it even more sophisticated in terms of storyline, in terms of who the characters are, and addressing some real issues that we face in corporate Jamaica, issues of sexual harassment, power struggle, a little bit of colorism, and all the things that, sometimes we don't necessarily want to talk about openly, and we're hoping that the show will encourage that kind of dialogue. You are going to see somebody that you know.
In Season 2, Thicker Than Water moves from the usual office space to the company's head office and features a slate of new characters, which includes a Nollywood star Kenneth Okili. Daily noted that Season 2 is filled with dramatic and surprising plot twists. Thicker Than Water first premiered as a DMH Productions back in 2013, and many fans are elated for the move to TV series on Saturday nights right here on TVJ. American rapper Bobby Shmurda has inked a new management deal with Roc Nation. This follows his successful appearance on the Rolling Loud Miami stage last month, where he showcased his signature Shmoney dance. The rapper is said to be in the studio with DaBaby, Migos, and Sway Lee working on his debut album. Roc Nation, founded by Jay-Z back in 2008, manages artists like Alicia Keys, Big Sean, Fat Joe, Megan Thee Stallion, among a slew of A-listers. I'm Carrie Ann Simpson reporting for E-Prime.